I'm Dr. Marnie Nussbaum, a board-certified dermatologist, and I'm here to discuss retinol. You may not be thinking 20, 30 years down the line. However, your nightly retinol use now will absolutely affect the way you look much later in life. You will be rewarded with minimization of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as a more even complexion. You may even increase the elasticity of your skin so that you look firmer and tighter. I usually start retinol in adolescence, and that's mainly for acne. However, as we move into our 20s, I love starting a retinol regimen early to really prevent any fine lines, wrinkles, and also to increase skin rejuvenation. Moving into your 30s, you really begin to see those fine lines and wrinkles. And they start slow, so the earlier you start your retinol, the better chance you have at minimizing the deepening of those wrinkles. And really, once you start your retinol regimen, it takes about 3 months to see a difference, depending upon your skin type and the formulation that you use. And then moving into your 40s and 50s, you'll really notice a real effect on the deeper lines. The longer you use it, the more diligent you are at using it, the deeper lines will lessen, and you're gonna notice a brighter complexion. What I love about OPULUS Beauty Labs is that they made it really easy to begin to start that regimen. You really start at a low potency and a low frequency and then gradually move up, but you don't have to think about it because the guesswork's done. So the quicker you start the regimen and the earlier you start the regimen, the better off you'll be.